Hey there everyone, this is your host Mark from Blades & More with a review of this CRKT Up At Em folding pocket knife. This is a new 2019 CRKT model, the Up At Em, and it is a long, slender, sleek, kind of a gentleman's pocket knife. It's full stainless steel handle, and it's just a really cool design. The design is by Matthew Lurch Design, and it's bordering on a larger knife in that it is 8.33 inches in length, but it's very slim and doesn't have a lot of height, so it carries easy in your pocket. Has a satin finish both on the blade and the handle, so it really looks nice. The blade is 3.62 inches in length. It is only 3/4 of an inch in height, or 0.75 inch height, with a 0.12 inch thickness. It is a drop point blade design with a hollow grind and a long swedge tapered, with a plain grind and a nice finger choil that allows me to clinch up on the blade for some finer work, and it has a nice jimping on the thumb ramp of the blade. It also allows my large to extra large hand to fit fully on the handle of the 4.71 inch long handle. Feels nice in my hand. It has a frame lock that locks up very nice, with a frame lock stop, so you can't over travel with the frame lock. The flipper works very well, has nice jimping on the flipper, has nice jimping on the back of the blade, on the thumb ramp. Has a back spacer in the stainless steel handle, fiberglass back spacer. It is tip-up carry design with only a right hand only carrying position clip. Sits deep in your pocket. Nice centering on the blade. This is a Matthew Lurch design. It comes in at 4.29 ounces. This knife is made in China with a 8CR13 MOV blade material. I have the new CRKT CEO to give you some comparisons. That is a really slim, long, slender piece. I also brought in my Rook P865 to give you a little comparison if you know the Rook P865. CEO is also a 2019 CRKT model that I really am enjoying. But back to the Up At Em, this is just a great stainless steel handle model. I'm very impressed by it. It's long, slim, slender, gentleman's carry that I think if you are are interested in something of this nature, that you will be very happy with your purchase. I would highly recommend it. So there we go, everybody. It is the CRKT Up and At 'em. Thank you very much for watching. Bye now.